Hello everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel.
Morocco is a country known for its vibrant culture, colorful architecture, and delicious cuisine. From the bustling streets of Marrakech to the serene beaches of Essaouira, Morocco has a diverse range of dishes that are sure to tantalize your taste buds. Here are the top 5 Moroccan dishes you must try. First up is harira soup, a hearty and warming soup that is traditionally served during Ramadan. This soup is made with a variety of ingredients, including lentils, chickpeas, tomatoes, and spices like cumin and ginger. It's often served with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice and a sprinkle of parsley. Harira soup is the perfect comfort food on a chilly day. Next is tagine, a dish that takes its name from the clay pot it's cooked in. Tagine can be made with a variety of meats or vegetables, but the most common version is made with chicken, olives, and preserved lemons. The ingredients are cooked slowly in the tagine, allowing the flavors to melt together and create a delicious and aromatic dish. Third on our list is couscous, a staple dish in Moroccan cuisine. Couscous is made from tiny balls of semolina that are steamed and then served with a variety of vegetables and meats. It's often topped with a spicy sauce made from tomatoes, onions, and garlic. Couscous is a filling and satisfying dish that is perfect for sharing with friends and family. Last but not least is pastilla, a sweet and savory dish that is often served as an appetizer or a dessert. Pastilla is made with layers of phyllo dough that are filled with a mixture of shredded chicken or pigeon, almonds, and spices. It's often dusted with powdered sugar and cinnamon, giving it a unique and delicious flavor. Fourth is kefta, a popular Moroccan dish made from ground beef or lamb that is mixed with spices and shaped into meatballs or patties. Kefta is often served with tomato sauce and eggs, and is sometimes grilled on skewers. It's a flavorful and satisfying dish that's perfect for a summer barbecue. These are the top 5 Moroccan dishes that you must try. From harira soup to pastilla, Moroccan cuisine is full of bold flavors and unique dishes that are sure to leave you feeling satisfied. So the next time you're in Morocco, be sure to indulge in these mouth-watering dishes.